Hello everyone and welcome back in a new video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can upgrade your GSC3574 firmware if you have very old firmware. So keep in mind, do not upgrade the latest version directly. You need to first upgrade intermediate firmware, otherwise you will see a error message on the screen like invalid signature or the device may crash. So I'll show you. I have upgraded the latest version directly, so you can see firmware signature error. So do not upgrade directly the latest version 1.0.3.6. First upgrade 1.17 series firmware. This will upgrade successfully. Once upgrade this firmware, you can upgrade to the 3. Series firmware, because 3. Series has Android 14 upgrade. So update is completed. Now you can see on the screen installing updates, and now it is rebooting, and now you can see the 1.17 firmware is updated, and then we will update the latest version 1.0.3.6. Now it is taking the updates. And you can see the update started. So the firmware update is completed, it is restarting, and now we can log in the device, and you can feel the new UI of the device. This new firmware includes smart feature, and that is voice changer option that I will show you in the next video. The firmware is updated and you can see the latest version, and the Android version is as well updated. If you feel this video useful, please like and subscribe the channel.